You're about to see something that should be impossible. I'm going to create a real volcanic eruption underwater. Nobody has ever shown you this before. Here's the secret most people don't know. I can make underwater fire using just hot water and colors. But there's a catch that changes everything. This is where it gets dangerous. This water is so hot it could burn you. But watch what happens when I mix it with something cold. Once I do this next step, there's no going back. I need the perfect cold water environment or this whole experiment will fail completely. This is it. The moment of truth. If my calculations are right, you're about to see underwater lava. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Whoa! Look at that incredible underwater volcano. But wait, you haven't seen anything yet. This is absolutely insane. Multiple underwater volcanoes erupting at once. The science behind this will blow your mind. Here's the incredible secret. Hot water is lighter than cold water, so it rises like real lava. And the best part? You can do this at home. Want to try this yourself? Just hot water, cold water, and food coloring. And I guarantee you'll be amazed. Show me your results. That's the power of underwater physics. Subscribe to Wonder Labs for more impossible experiments. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.
Wonder Labs, meet our scientific crew.